So if you want to check your laptop's hardware specifications on Windows 10, this is how you do it. I'm going to show you different methods. Method 1, if you're checking basic system information. So what you're going to do, you're going to go on Windows, or you can type on the search bar for settings. Once you're in settings, you are going to look for system settings. This. And we're going to press on it. Then we're going to scroll all the way down to where there is about. And here you will see your device specifications right here. And also you're going to see the Windows specification right here. Now method 2, to use system information for detailed specs. So we are going to run the dialog. To do that, you're going to press Windows plus R. You can see this. It brings, let me put this away. It will bring this dialog box, and then I'll do MS Info 32 and I'll press OK. And here you're going to see the entire system information of your computer, the hardware details, the manufacturer, installed memory. From here you can even see the motherboard specification, storage devices, and different network components and adapters of your computer. Now method 3, if you want to check the graphics card information, what we're going to do is we're going to do Windows plus R again. So let me just minimize this. We're going to do Windows plus R, and then we're going to do DXD IAG, and we shall press OK. It's going to ask, do you want to check if your drivers are digitally assigned? Check your drivers. We can say yes. So here you can see the graphics card name, the manufacturer, the display memory, the driver information. This option is basically useful for those that create content with games, game content creators. This is what you use. And then next is, if I want to check the storage information of my laptop, I'm going to press Windows E. And it will take me to the files. Then I'll go to this PC right here. So here you can see my local disk has this number of memory, and then it's been partitioned. This also has this amount of memory. And then you can right click it, and then you go to properties to see detailed information about this particular drive details. You can see the tools, you can see all that. Security, you can actually see that drive it's installed in, all that. Now another method is you can check your hardware using the task manager. So to open the task manager, you just press Ctrl Shift Escape, so I'm going to close this, and I'm going to close this as well. So once you're here, you can just go to performance, and from here you're able to see the monitor, the CPU usage, memory usage. You see that? You can see the disk, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and also the GPU usage of your computer right here. So basically that is how you can check your laptop's hardware specification on Windows 10. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.